Seals fans, if you were to request AI to depict a luxury camping site, it might conceptualize something similar to this. However, reality can surpass even the imagination of AI. Consider the Turkish company Sealvans, which not only conceived the idea, but also brought it to life by constructing a camper that stretches 7.1/2 meters in length. While it boasts a sophisticated appearance that seamlessly integrates with other campers, its true allure emerges when it takes to the water. Essentially, when you invest in this camper, you're not just getting a mobile home, you're acquiring a yacht that can cruise at speeds of up to 24 km on the water. Super yacht. For those seeking a grander experience riding the waves, the Indian Studio Bush and Power Design conceived the Zion Yacht, an impressive 110-meter vessel inspired by black holes. Priced at an estimated $500 million, this yacht can comfortably accommodate 20 guests and 20 crew members. It boasts a lavish dining area, a glass-bottom swimming pool, a gym, a jet ski garage, and even an elevator. The yacht pledges an unmatched level of luxury, with its features including a 12-meter helipad topping the list. Oceanus International System. The Dutch team at Oceanus International is heavily engaged in ocean-related endeavors, addressing various intriguing projects. As part of one initiative, they are establishing artificial replicas of coral reefs. Given the rapid decline of coral reefs, with approximately 20% already lost, their disappearance not only impacts biodiversity, but also contributes to concerns like coastline erosion. In their second project, the emphasis is on generating green hydrogen directly from seawater. Oceanus International System accomplishes this without the necessity for desalination and chemicals. Aircar. The renowned Lazzarini design studio, a familiar presence for our regular viewers, has once again lived up to expectations. This time, the Italian experts have introduced a concept for a flying car. This remarkable 6-meter vehicle is propelled by 4 Rolls-Royce engines and features a sleek carbon monocoque. If this concept becomes a reality, it has the potential to accommodate 4 passengers, although maintaining open eyes might be a challenge, given its impressive speed of approximately 750 km/h. Interestingly, this car would be fueled by jet fuel. Considering these aspects, it's somewhat astonishing that the studio's head intends to construct a prototype next year. Alpine Alpenglow. French automaker Alpine has peered into the future of the automotive industry for the Paris Motor Show. They've introduced a concept hypercar named the Alpine Glow, and even in preliminary sketches, its impressiveness is evident. The final design showcased in the Motor Show's display aligns with Alpine's developmental direction. The Alpine Glow is conceived to illuminate both racetracks and regular roads, featuring a unique seating arrangement with the driver, or rather, the pilot positioned at the center. This setup is complemented by a hydrogen internal combustion engine working in conjunction with a hybrid powertrain. While the Alpine Glow won't go into production, some of the design concepts employed in its creation are likely to influence future developments in the industry. Speng Aero HT. Speng Motors, a prominent Chinese manufacturer of smart cars valued at over $7 billion, is venturing into the realm of aerial transportation. Among their innovative concepts is the Xpeng Aero HT, exemplifying the ingenuity of Chinese engineers. This vehicle features a discrete flying module tucked away in the car's trunk. When it's time for flight, the module smoothly emerges, disconnects, and you're set to soar. Simultaneously, they are not neglecting more conventional forms of flying cars. The Xpeng Aero HT X2 prototype is presently undergoing testing. This electric flying car can achieve speeds of up to 130 km and proudly secured approval for piloted flights ahead of its competitors. Flying whales. According to reports from the WHO, and the UN, more than 50% of the global population lacks access to fundamental healthcare. In response to this, the French team, Flying Whales, is undertaking a unique initiative. They plan to develop colossal airships, reaching lengths of up to 200 meters, equipped with cargo compartments spanning 96 meters. These immense airships will transport containers that can be converted into fully functional hospitals. The construction of these giant airships is scheduled to commence next year, and they are anticipated to be airborne by 2025. Shane. Are you familiar with Shane Chen? He is a Chinese-American inventor renowned for inventing the hoverboard and holds credit for over 70 patents. Continually impressing with his creations, his latest innovation is the Shane, a two-wheeled electric car, the first of its kind globally. In the past, such vehicles were considered inefficient, but Shane has introduced a concept that offers comfort comparable to traditional cars. The interior of Shane accommodates 5 individuals along with their luggage. There are rumors that Shane envisions his groundbreaking innovation reshaping our perspectives on mobility. He is actively seeking partners to collaborate and bring Shane to life. Sentinel System. Certain experts suggest that the International Space Station, ISS, could conclude its mission by 2030. Consequently, numerous scientists are contemplating a shift in focus towards exploring the oceans. Deep, a British company, is gearing up to construct an underwater counterpart to the ISS named Sentinel. If everything goes according to plan, scientists could commence their work at Sentinel by 2027. The station is designed to be positioned 200 meters below the surface, where a majority of underwater life thrives. An intriguing aspect is the utilization of 3D printing, particularly WAAM wire arc additive manufacturing technology to fabricate components for Sentinel. Space Urchin. Picture a futuristic space station resembling this concept developed by an Australian team, which earned them recognition at the Space Awards 2022. Drawing inspiration from cell anatomy, they crafted the station as an integral component of a broader space configuration, rather than an isolated entity in space. Constructed on a 36-meter diameter block, the noteworthy feature is its virtually limitless expandability.